Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you add products to TikTok Shop? And that's what we're going to be tackling in today's topic. Well, let's first and foremost, there's a lot of things that needs to be, explained, details that are needed to be explained thoroughly on this topic. So, let's just go ahead on the shop seller. Just click on products and out here there's a bunch of options here like products management. Just go ahead and add new product, and please be informed that we are not going to be actually doing and selling an actual product here. This is just for the example here. Okay, just disregard this one. And the first basic information, you're going to fill up with the photo using the photo of your product here. Okay, you could locate file. I don't know if you can see this, but on my end I'm locating the file here. Here it is. Now, this is an image that I got from the stock, photo that are free available out there. So let's just pretend that we're selling here, actually. Okay, so it's loading. Let's say you're trying to sell electronics or digital electronics or cameras, like this instance. You could upload image, and you could absolutely upload variations of this one, and we'll get to this later. But on this one, you're going to input the name of your product. Please be informed that it has to be 21 letters or more. That's the minimum amount of the title description of your product. Now, in here on the category, it's sort of like listed out in and of itself. You could handpick it here, which fits the description of your actual products. Now you'll see what I mean. Let me just scroll down a little bit here. Okay, now in here you have home supplies, you have computers and office equipment, you have phones and electronics. So a camera is electronics, so let's pick that. Just be honest about this one. Here we go. Ride and shoot cameras, a lot of things here, right? So that's what you're going to be picking on. The one that fits the description of your actual product, the product that you're going to sell. Now, in here on the brand, if your camera has a particular brand, so to say, you pick it here. These are the brands that are allowed on TikTok Shop, but you could absolutely choose no brand if that certainly is the case. Okay. Now, on the product attributes, the dimensions, the materials. So the key thing here is to be honest, completely honest about the product, because it's going to be submitted for review before you actually before you actually get the permission to sell. Okay, they'll review this for like 48 hours, I believe. Yeah, that's the minimum. So in here, yeah, just fill all this up. The quality condition, warranty type, manufacturer, battery. We have bundle list, bundle set, battery quality. You could absolutely type it in here. Right. Okay. Battery quality, like 4 PS, I don't know. Maybe. Again, I'm gonna need you guys to be completely honest about the description of your product so that we won't have any troubles on the preloading of the actual submission for review. Now, just fill all this up, and once you're done with that, you can go ahead to the product details. Now, they do have AI support for this if you want AI support in terms of like trying to actually sell your product. But if you have good marketing skills, then you could just basically do whatever marketing skills you put here. Just put in the label of your product. If there's important things that you want to add in, you could just basically add it all here. Okay, and yeah, that's just basically for this. And you could actually add photos here, and you could design the fonts. As you can see, of the options on top of here, There's a lot of it in here, and actually you could add a video as well of your product, like for example, size scale wise. If you just upload it here. If you want to make sure that to add authenticity of your actual product. Now, when you go back here, you could enable variations. These are the variations. If your product has different types of variations, you could upload image here, whatever product it is, variable of your product as well. You just click done. Okay, it's uploading. Here we go. Click on done once you're done with that, and you could add as much as 15 variations for this one. Really depends on the bundle, on which bundle you're choosing from. Okay. All right. Now that we're done, we've completely added the variation here again, as much as 15. And in here, let's talk about shipping. This is the one where you add the product dimensions first, the dimensions of the actual camera or shirt. You can sell shirt, whatever it is. Just be honest about the dimensions. Example, this is it, length. Okay, because it's going to be affecting on the shipping fee if you do so. And yeah, that's just basically it. Once you're done, you could click here and it'll be reviewed for like, again, 48 hours. Again, we're not really trying to sell anything here. This is just an example for the video. Okay, so I'm just going to discard this one. Okay, again, 48 hours before you get the permission to actually sell. Okay, let's talk about the shipping, because a lot of people have this misconception that it all boils down to shipping, that all shipping on TikTok are the same. Well, it's actually not. Depends on what country you're in. Like for example, mine in Philippines, we have JNT Express, we have Ninja Van, Philippines, Flash Express Philippines. Okay, so and depending on these carriers right here, they all boil down to prices as well. They vary in prices depending on each region. On US, there's USPS, there's UPS. Okay, and here's the TikTok Shop partner. You could connect whichever website you wanted here. And hopefully I've explained much about adding products. So that's just it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day. Please subscribe.